because you engage with people easily. This year, family and friends and events may be blended, probably because you engage with people easily and because you are eager to be more social this year, but you only have limited time and resources to do so. Therefore, why not combine those things you would do to save time and trouble? A powerful family relationship, perhaps a parent, may be on the warpath with you now over something you plan to do. You aren't going to change your mind, at least not right now, but do take to be as soft in explaining yourself as possible. Sagittarius, forecast for career. You are a superb co-worker and a great boss, Sagittarius. That's because you excel at communication. You say what you think, but you manage to find ways to say it to smooth all the possible sharp edges. You value insight and talent, and you expect those who do their share. You make others feel recognized and important, which is a cornerstone of any professional relationship. You are very innovative, and this year your brilliant ideas shall get the attention they deserve. There may even be an idea that garners you an award or some level of important professional recognition. An esteemed position or a raise may come as a result of this recognition of your efforts. There will be many chances for you this year to stand in the spotlight, and these will be exceptional opportunities to connect with important people and to make important deals. You will flourish in what you do best, and even your lesser used talents will come to the fore and be put to good use. You are not someone who does well confined by restrictions and rules, and this year you have to find a way to be more open to fitting in a framework. Use the construct you find yourself in to gain strength and confidence rather than feeling confined by it. If you can do that, there will be no stopping you in 2021.